Welcome to CivilCAD Learning Solutions Help video. In this video, we'll talk about adding utility crossings in profile views. In this example, I have a storm profile, and I want to add sewer, like this is my storm right here, and I want to add any sewer or water crossing that crosses my storm system. So notice here I do have a water line crossing here. Now look further down, there's actually another sewer main and water. So you got water and sewer right here crossing my storm system. And I want to add that to my profile. So if we go to our CCLS tools, go to gravity pipe pull down and select add network to profile. You'll select your profile view. So here's my storm profile view. I'll select it. And then I need to identify which network that it's going to be crossing. I guess the sewer and water. So in here as an example, I'm going to uncheck all these. And it's actually, I've already identified that it is actually W1 or my water crossing or water pipe networks. And then my sewer, this is my sewer network system. And I want to select the override style, so W crossing. Now it's going to be using your style. Yours may not be called this. This is an example. This is actually using my Civil 3D templates. So I'll click OK, and then I'll look in my profile, and there it is. There's my water, there's my sewer crossing, and then there's my other water crossing in here. Another great example to use this tool is maybe you want to show side-by-side comparison. Maybe you got a street profile and you want to show storm and sewer in the same profile view. So let's do that example. So I measured here, it was actually like 17 feet across from the center line of the storm to the sewer. It runs majority of it parallel, but in here it could be a little widening. So what I'm going to do is give it a distance of how far it is from the storm. So if I run my app, CCLS tools, add network to profiles, select the profile view, and then this time I'll select the SS2. I'm going to uncheck everything here. SS2. I'll type in maybe 20 feet just to be conservative. And then over here, maybe you want that style to be a little bit different than what's shown on plan. I'm going to uncheck the crossing. And maybe you want it to show lighter than the typical sewer profile because you're showing sewer and storm in the street profile. But you can override that. But I'm going to show just the original style, and I'll click OK. And there we go. So you can see there's my sewer within my storm profile. So this is a great way to quickly show utility crossings in your profile views or quickly show two adjacent utilities in your profile view. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for using our CCLS productivity tools.